What is a motion to remand for deferral in immigration? Imagine your loved one is in immigration court facing removal, and you find out new information that could help. What can you do? That's where a motion to remand for deferral comes into play. It's a legal request asking the Board of Immigration Appeals or a federal court to send the case back to the immigration judge for more review. This usually happens when new evidence or arguments emerge that weren't considered before. In immigration cases, remanding means returning the case to the lower court or agency for further action. If someone loses their case before an immigration judge and appeals to the Board of Immigration Appeals, the board can decide to send it back for more hearings. This gives the person another chance to present new evidence or clarify their situation. Deferral of removal under the Convention Against Torture is a special protection. It's used when someone fears torture if they are sent back to their home country. If an immigration judge finds it is more likely than not they would be tortured, they can order their removal be deferred. This does not give legal status or a green card, but it stops deportation as long as the risk exists. A motion to remand for deferral is usually filed when new evidence shows the risk of torture. For example, if a family member learns about worsening country conditions or personal threats after the initial decision, their lawyer can ask the board to send the case back. The goal is to have the immigration judge consider this new information for deferral under the Convention Against Torture. In family-based immigration cases, like foreign married sons and daughters of U.S. citizens, this motion might not be common. These cases often focus on getting a green card. But if a person is in removal proceedings and fears torture, this motion becomes very important. It's a way to ask for another look at the case, focusing on safety from harm. If your family member faces removal and fears torture, it's vital to talk to an immigration lawyer right away. Gather any new evidence about threats or worsening conditions in the home country. Work with your lawyer to prepare a motion explaining why the case should be sent back for deferral. Remember, this process doesn't give legal status but can keep your loved one safe from harm while the case is reconsidered. Even if someone doesn't qualify for a green card or asylum, they might still have options if they face a real risk of torture. The motion to remand for deferral is a way to make sure all evidence is heard and their safety is protected. Always seek legal advice because immigration laws are complex and change often. This process is about protecting lives and making sure families stay safe, even when other options are limited.